Hello viewers, you welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. And if today is your first time you are coming to this channel, I say very big welcome to you, If not for you, there will be AYA. So a very big welcome to you. Don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe, and also like, copy the share link, copy and share to everybody out there, because they need this channel also. So what I'll tell you, click on the notification button, and so that you get notified whenever we upload new video. Okay. And then again, I want to tell you this, that we ship everywhere. We ship to US, Canada, UK, Asia country, Europe, anywhere, So I want you to understand that, and we deliver. Trust us, not disappoint. Okay, and within our country as well, we deliver everywhere. Okay, so that is that. Okay, I want to make this on a simple, low way. I have two items I want to talk about today. I want to make a review on a quick one. We're not going to waste time on this. You know what I mean? Okay, so I believe you guys be hearing about Kojic in the tube, Okay, see now. I don't know, like he get wide. Like, I don't know. I don't know if you guys see, but all I mean is just Kojic clear tube. This is a tube. If it's like when you try to mix a lotion, any kind of a lotion, and you decide you're looking for the tube you want to use. Basically, if you wanna just stay, don't worry. If you wanna really get the right tube that is not too harsh, you can always use this tube. If you want to get the right tube that is not too harsh, those are the customers they're calling. You want to get the right tube that is not too harsh, you can use Kojic Clear. You're doing a lotion, there are some tubes that are exceptional. You're doing a lotion, you're making a lotion, and you don't think of Kojic Clear? Oh, come on. You should always have this in mind, okay? Kojic Clear, you should always have this in mind. Like he was like a lemon clear also. Kojic Clear, this should always be in your lotion. Yes, they should always be in your lotion, because I think they're also meant for clearing of dark spot. They have big name in here, but all they try to tell you, they take away all inflammatory from the body, from the skin. Okay. Yes, forget about the big name, dermatitis, blah blah blah. But what they try to tell you, it fade away dark spot, and they fade away like eczema, melasma, all those things. Kojic Clear does all that. It cleans, not just a decoration, just to make you wet. Oh no. So it's like, it's something that is being there, that is a big solution. People don't know it, they just overlook. Sometimes always give it a try. I would want you to give it a try on this. They didn't give me any money, like, oh, why are you talking about it? Because that was what somebody talked to me on WhatsApp. He shot me up like, hey, yo, like, you be talking about these people, like, don't tell me the fees that you are, they give you some money. I said, no. It's just what I've made an experience. I told you some months back, I made myself white and then become white. So I did all that experiment on my skin. Yeah, so I had to come back to my color now. So that is that. So you should always use it. Go for it. Don't hesitate. Go for it. I tell you. Though we have the fake one. Now I tell this, I want to say this again. The only reason why it's not gonna work for your body is because when you go get a fake one, so like I told you, I made a video about how you can get the right product. I tell you that, and I made a video on that already. If you want me to make a video on that, put a request, and I will do the video personally and send to you. Okay? Or you can watch all my videos, or go to AYA Cosmetic. Again, we have another channel. You can go there and see for yourself. Okay? This tube, always have that. And I want to tell you the same time, you always go with the serum also. Okay? Yes. Go with a serum also. And the same thing is because people don't understand. People making lotions, people making different face cleanser, people making different, they don't know what to use because they don't have the idea. They just watch only YouTube and they think that's all. No, sometimes do experiment with your skin, right? That is why my product, they say your product is cost because I've done experiment with my skin. And it happened that my skin, it becomes that my skin was first scapegoat and I use it to do all that, and I like when I got the solution. Now I've got to the solution, you want to get it for free. It ain't gonna happen. Oh boy. Okay, they say he cost, all the things he sell, it cost. But the original because they work effectively. Okay, so sometimes buy some of all these things there and do experiment with your skin. You know, it's not gonna kill you. You're just gonna do experiment by it. So I tell you, try this with these two combo. These two combo, yeah. Do combination, combine them, and then do a lotion with it, and see what's gonna happen. You gonna say, I said it, he said it. Yes, this is us talking. Retalk. AY Cosmetic. We the real, like we say, we tell you the real talk about it. So go for these two and mix them with your lotion. If you can get them, you can also go for Kojic. I mean, you can go for lemon clay. If you can find this, go for lemon clay. Okay. So I appreciate you all. Let me go attend to customers because they calling. Now all the way we bring you the good news. All the way we bring you the good news. So have this in mind for this good news not to lose. Go do the experiment with this too. Try on your lotion. Try, you're gonna see the lotion you do with this is excellent. Alright, so if we've come to the end of the class. If today is your first time, I tell you a big time, don't forget, do the right thing by subscribe, copy the link, share for others, like, don't hate us, don't say bad about us, okay? We're all one, we're on the same. And don't forget, we ship everywhere, US, Canada, Europe, UK, Asia country, and even in our country, you know, we deliver everywhere, all right? So that is that. I say a big thank you to you all. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.